Hey guys, this is part 2. I'm in the puddle right now. He's about to film me. Let's go. Woo! Yeah, that was pretty cool. Let's go. Woo!
Let's go, man.
Let's
Shit,
go.
you hear that? Oh, I'm sorry. If you're a 4-year-old watching this, ignore the word I just said. You still gotta go all the way down there.
That's gonna probably take a whole video.
Yeah, for sure. Wait a minute. Couldn't we be doing a video of this?
Yeah, but that's stupid.
Yeah.
Ooh! Another puddle. You're filming me again. Let's go. That puddle. Hey guys, I'm about to run into that puddle.
GMC. Is that a Chevy down there?
I don't know.
Chevy.
Chevy.
Oh shoot, now it's actually starting to rain.
Meh.
I'm not even wearing